In the meantime, judges in Montego Bay were also no-show today as well. This as they joined their colleagues at the Supreme Court in Kingston for a meeting. Vice President of the Cornwall Bar Association, Attorney-at-Law Chumi Paris, says when lawyers turned up for court in Trelawney, St. James, Westmoreland and Hanover, all proceedings were on hold.
Arriving at court this morning, I was told by the members of the court staff that there'll be no court sitting. And the reason for that was that there was a meeting being held in Kingston by the judges. As a result of that, no court was held in relation to matters that I'm aware of. No court was held.
Mr. Paris says the situation has caused some inconvenience to members of the public and lawyers travelling outside of Western Jamaica.
To conduct a meeting of this nature, I can't think of it ever happening before, I could be corrected on that. But I have no reason to believe that the meeting being held in Kingston the judges would not have given some consideration as to the impact that the meeting would have. But I'm sure it is that the meeting and what they are intend to deliberate in the meeting would be of great concern to members of the public.
He says the impact was far-reaching as the Western Regional Gun Court, the family and parish courts were all affected.